So I just thought, oh, look at that, jeez. Listen, this is not rain clouds. That's from Smitty's. That black haze. But from my last video, I seen that little hummingbird. He was thirsty, and I was thinking, dang, I got 4 of these things. I need to take them down, because look at that. The film from Smitty's, that's oil. It can kill them. I mean, yeah, I need to take all of them down. Jeez, man, my garden. Shit. Look, all that has to be thrown away. Oh, this is sad. Oh my God. My figs. My LSU figs. Oh man, I had 3 new ones too. 3. Oh, look at that little baby. Itsy bitsy little baby. Blackberries. I think the possum. Yeah, the possum's been eating the blackberries. The beans. Look at all the black film all over the beans. Oh my gosh. Lemon tree, ice cream banana trees. I don't know how all that works. I really don't. Because I don't know. I think it's still burning. What the heck is that? An onion? Somebody came over here and stole an onion out my garden. Oh my God. I'm just going to rebury it. What? Here you go, Mr. Onion. Just like that. Okay. I don't know, man. Oh my gosh. This is pumpkins, y'all. Growing pumpkins. Oh man, my garden.